Hello, my name is Kevin. I am a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and now I will tell you what to do if you face a RealPage lawsuit. RealPage Incorporated is a leading American provider of technology solutions and data for the residential and commercial real estate industry, offering software for property management, revenue optimization, tenant screening, and other services. Despite its significant contribution to automating and simplifying property management, the company has faced a series of lawsuits related to accusations of violating consumer rights, improper use, and distribution of tenant personal information. In this video, we will examine the nature of RealPage lawsuits, discuss the importance of protecting personal data and consumer rights, and underscore why seeking professional legal help in such situations is not just a right, but a strategically important step towards restoring fairness and compensating for possible losses. What to do on your own if you have problems with RealPage. A step-by-step guide to solving the problem on your own gives you control and understanding of the process, which can be not only useful but also economically beneficial. Often, without the help of a qualified lawyer, it can be difficult to navigate the nuances of the FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, so seeking professional support can significantly simplify the process. Simple list of steps for solving the problem yourself. Report checking. Obtain copies of your credit report and tenant report from all three major credit bureaus. Error identification. Carefully review the reports for incorrect information, including payments, debts, and personal details. Dispute filing. Contact the credit bureau or landlord to correct errors, providing the necessary evidence. Seeking legal help. If your problem is not resolved, consider consulting with a lawyer specializing in consumer rights and the FCRA. Monitoring changes. After filing a dispute, regularly check your credit report for any changes and corrections. Proper management of this process not only helps in protecting your consumer rights, but can also prevent possible negative consequences for your credit history. Why seeking legal help is your best choice. Specialized legal support not only provides an effective solution to all problems, but also offers access to deep knowledge and experience in the field of consumer rights protection and compliance with the FCRA. Advantages of professional legal support. Deep understanding of the FCRA. Lawyers specializing in consumer rights protection have a thorough understanding of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, and other related laws, allowing them to effectively protect your interests. Effective dispute resolution. Experienced lawyers use proven strategies for disputes with credit bureaus and landlords, significantly increasing the chances of success. Avoiding legal mistakes. Incorrect actions during the dispute process can complicate the situation. Legal assistance helps avoid potential errors. No need for prepayment. Most lawyers in the field of consumer rights protection work on a contingency basis, meaning clients do not bear financial risks. Pressure on credit bureaus and landlords. Legal representation increases the pressure on credit bureaus and landlords to resolve your issue promptly. Regardless of the complexity of your case, professional lawyers can offer the most effective solutions, ensuring compliance with all relevant legal requirements. Detailed analysis of the RealPage case. Examining the case against RealPage demonstrates the potential scale of consumer rights violations. RealPage, a company specializing in tenant screening and property management services, became the subject of a RealPage class action lawsuit. This case highlights the importance of accuracy and compliance with legal requirements in processing and presenting consumer data. Specific examples and data related to the case. Basis of the lawsuit. The lawsuit was filed after discovering that RealPage provided potential landlords with incorrect or outdated information about consumers, which could negatively affect their rental opportunities. Involved parties. The lawsuit covered many consumers whose rights were violated due to incorrect information provided by the company. Legal grounds. The case emphasizes the importance of adhering to FCRA provisions, requiring all credit bureaus and tenant screening agencies to ensure the accuracy and timeliness of the information provided. Outcome of the case. Although the outcomes of such cases can vary greatly, many of them end in settlement, which may include compensation for affected consumers and obligations to change data processing practices. Importance of legal assistance. This case illustrates how legal representation can help consumers protect their rights and ensure a fair resolution. This example shows how important it is for consumers to be informed about their rights and options for seeking protection of those rights, including through lawsuits. Success stories. How our clients won in court. Every lawsuit filed against companies violating consumer rights carries a unique story of struggle and triumph. Over the years, our law firm has collected many such stories. Here are just a few of them, demonstrating how the right legal strategy and experience can lead to significant victories. Error in credit report. Alex, noticing an incorrect mark about a late payment, turned to us for help. After our intervention, not only was the error corrected, but Alex also received compensation for the unjustified lowering of the credit rating. Incorrect information in rental application. Rebecca faced a rental denial due to erroneous information in her tenant report. We not only achieved the deletion of this information, but also provided Rebecca with compensation for the inconvenience caused. Illegal use of personal data. Kevin discovered that his personal data had been used without his consent. Thanks to our work, Kevin was compensated, and the violating company was held accountable. Unlawful deduction of funds. Julia encountered unlawful deductions from her bank account. We helped her not only to return the money, but also to receive additional compensation for emotional distress. These real examples show how important it is not to ignore violations of your rights and to seek qualified legal help. Our firm is ready to provide you with all the necessary support to protect your interests and achieve justice. If you have encountered a similar situation or have questions about your case, do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you. Contact our lawyers today to start the process of restoring justice and protecting your rights. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.